In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Cloud Platform for free, utilizing their safe and legitimate offerings. If you're new to Google Cloud, you'll find there are a couple of excellent ways to dive into the platform without opening your wallet for basic usage. First up, let's talk about Google Cloud's free trial. When you sign up as a new user, Google generously provides you with $300 in free credits. This credit is valid for 90 days, giving you a solid 3 months to explore the vast array of services available on the platform. Now, it's important to note that these credits can be used for most services offered by Google Cloud, although there are a few exceptions. For example, services like GPUs, Windows Server, and VMware fall outside of this free credit offer. But for most users, that $300 should provide ample room to experiment with what's out there. Now, for those wondering about eligibility, you will need to sign up using a Google account. Additionally, you'll need to add a payment method during the sign-up process. This is primarily for identity verification purposes and helps ensure the security and integrity of the services offered. Rest assured, you won't be charged unless you choose to upgrade your account. Once your free trial ends or your credits run out, you might think your journey with Google Cloud has come to a halt. But that's not the case, thanks to the always free tier. With this offering, once your credits expire, many Google Cloud services remain free within certain usage limits. Let's explore some of the resources available in this tier. For instance, you can use the Compute Engine, where you get one E2 Micro virtual machine per month. This is perfect for lightweight workloads or even for learning purposes. When it comes to storage, Google Cloud provides you with 5 GB of standard cloud storage. It's a modest amount but sufficient for hosting small datasets or static files. If you're interested in handling large datasets, there's BigQuery, which offers 1 TB of query processing each month at no cost. That's a lot of data. Cloud Run users can also benefit from 2 million requests each month, which is quite generous for running serverless applications. For those venturing into databases, Firestore allocates 1 GB of storage. In the realm of messaging, PubSub offers 10 GB of messaging. If you're into developing applications or building projects, Cloud Build provides you with 120 build minutes per day. If you're working with speech, the speech-to-text service gives you 60 minutes each month for free. The Vision API allows for 1,000 units each month, which is great for experimenting with image recognition tasks. Beyond these, there's a plethora of additional resources to explore, so dive into AI, logging, version control, or even Cloud Shell for interactive command line access. Each of these tools can be incredibly powerful for your projects, all available without spending a dollar. So, there you have it. Whether you're a novice or an experienced developer, Google Cloud provides these avenues to explore their services at no initial cost. It's a fantastic way to learn and experiment. Happy cloud computing!